All parties, Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat organizations have said that the undemocratic policies of the Indian Bharatiya Janata Party government led by Narendra Modi pose a serious threat to the peace in South Asia. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Hurriyat organizations in their separate statements issued in Srinagar said, muzzling the Kashmiris' voice through military might is Modi's brand of democracy, particularly in the occupied Kashmir. Narendra Modi-led Indian government continues to snatch the assets of the innocent people of the occupied Kashmir to punish them for their affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. According to Kashmir Media Service, in its fresh move, the Modi regime has directed the occupied Kashmir administration to seize all the assets and freeze the bank accounts and finances belonging to the Tehreek-e-Hurriyat and Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League headed by the Musarrat Alam Butt. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has denounced the summoning of the political leaders by the investigation agencies, saying that the Enforcement Directorate has become a part of the Indian government's election process. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti, talking to the reporters in Srinagar, said whenever elections are going to take place in the territory, the Indian government employs the Enforcement Directorate, National Investigation Agency, Central Bureau of Investigation and others to summon the political leaders. The Managing Director of the Kashmir Power Distribution Corporation Limited, Musarrat Islam, has urged the consumers to clear the outstanding balance on the account of the electricity dues, failing which the KPDCL shall be left with no other option but to further accelerate the disconnection drives. According to Kashmir Media Service, Musarrat Islam further said that the smart meter consumers with the areas are being automatically disconnected if they do not pay their pending power bills. Congress has said that the last 10 years of the Bharatiya Janata Party rule have been a period of injustice, and the party leader Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra is to fight for the economic, social and the political justice. South Indian Karnataka State Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that the BJP's policies over the Ram Mandir's inauguration event in Ayodhya is dividing the Hindu community.